it's your girl London, and I am back with another video. And if you guys want to see how I got this fall look, stay tuned. I'm gonna go in with my normal milk as my primer, and I just put 2 pumps on the back of my hand, and I just, put that in my skin. And y'all know I let this dry for at least like a minute. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my 405 L'Oreal concealer, and I am going to put that on my lid as the concealer of my choice. Okay, so we have our first layer on. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 3503 palette. I'm gonna go in with this dark reddish color right here. And it does have some glitter to it, FYI. And I'm just slowly building this in. Now that I have that color on, I'm gonna go in with a brown from the same palette. I'm gonna go in with this brown color right here. So this is still gonna be like right there in that corner area, but it's gonna stop like right here in the middle because I wanna do a little cut crease because that's where that other color is gonna go. Now I'm gonna go in with another color, but first I'm gonna cut my crease again. So in this palette, there is a orange, and I'm gonna go ahead and go on with that color. I'm just trying to debate if I wanna do the orange or if I wanna do the brown. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this color orange and this color like brown. I'm gonna be mixing them 2 colors together. So I'm gonna just go in one, go in the other, go in one, go in the other, because I like that combination. And don't worry, we're just putting it on, we'll blend it out. I do recommend scratching your eye a little. I think that helps. Okay, so now I'm just gonna focus on blending everything, so I don't have any like harsh lines or nothing like that. I'm going back in with that brown. And don't worry, we're gonna clean up all that other stuff, okay? I'm going back in with that orange because I want to make sure that, we don't forget about that color. This is what the burgundy was on. And I'm just taking that just to buff out all of this extra. Okay, yes, I'm feeling it, okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna focus a little bit on my brows, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my L'Oreal just to clean up my brows. And if you worked with this before, you know this stuff will dry super quick. So I'm getting me a brush just to go ahead and brush that out. This is the Luxie Detailed Tapered Blender. So I'm using this just to blend out this concealer underneath my brows. Okay, so I'm going in with a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Concealer on top of this. And I'm just using this one because it's more of my skin complexion. So as far as foundation, I am going in with my Maybelline. And y'all already know that this Maybelline is full coverage, especially to me. Okay, it's very much given. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my concealer. Y'all know with this, you don't even have to put on a whole lot. And I'm taking my beauty blender. I love when that glow be like right there like that. It's so cute. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm gonna also just blend that out as well. Okay, I'm gonna set my face. So you guys already know you just wanna let that bake a little. So I'm gonna do a little bit of foundation cleanup on my brows at the top. I'll actually clean them up with the concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is just so they could look very crispy at the top, just like they do at the bottom. Okay, so what I just did was just put a little strokes in the front to make it look like I have hair there. And you want to just go ahead and brush it. Just giving the illusion that you have. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Caution, and this is mascara. Oh, that makes a huge difference, y'all. Like, for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips using a regular Beauty Supply brown liner. And I'm gonna go in with my Milani, this brown color. I just feel like it's very much rich and affordable. I think this was $8 from Walgreens. And it looks really good on my skin complexion. And it definitely gives me like fall, for sure, fall vibes. Smells like chocolate. Oh. Y'all know I love to smell them. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. I'm actually gonna put a little powder right here as well when I'm smiling and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I'm looking so pale. So I'm gonna take some of this off, all of this powder. I'm still debating, y'all, if I want to put on lashes or not. I'm not sure. So y'all already know what I'm about to do next. I always go in with my Revolutions, baby. This thing is so beat up, look. And I always take care of my stuff. That's what I don't understand. It's in a drawer and everything, like nicely put away. But it's giving me she getting beat up vibes. And I don't like that. So I'm gonna have to go get me another one. And y'all know I just use this just to put a little color back in my face. Nothing crazy. Yeah, I'm feeling this color combination. Like the shadow, I'm feeling all of it. Sis is here for it. Like, what's up? Who is you, mommy? Yes, girl. Period. And the brow. Y'all stop playing. Let me collect all of my change, please. Give me all my coins. Because sis is doing a great job over here. All right, I'm going in with the lashes. Why not? Whatever. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall tutorial with me and also my new hair reveal. I really love this look. Guys, comment down below if you like this color and what color do you think I should try next. And like always, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.